Question number 5. The ratio of tickets sold at a Mega Rocks concert to the number of seats available is 2 to 5. Which answer below shows a possible number of tickets sold to the number of available seats? This is another ratio question, except here you're going to notice something different. The word ratio is now actually in the beginning of the problem. It's not in the question. So when it's at the beginning of the problem, you have to do what is called make connections. What that means is you are going to connect the first thing you saw to the first number you see. So the ratio of tickets sold, so tickets sold is the first thing I see. The first number I see is the number 2. Those are going to connect together. The second thing that I see is the number of seats available. And the second number that I see is the number 5. Those connect together. So now I can go and I can put that tickets sold will connect with a 2, and that seats available will connect with the number 5. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to go to my answer choices, and I'm going to look at what do I see in the answer choices. Well, in letter A, I see the word tickets, and I know that tickets should always be connected to the number 2. So I will put a 2 there. Then I go to the next one. I see seats. I know seats should always be connected with the number 5. I go to the next one. I see tickets. Tickets should connect with a 2. The next one I see, seats. Seats should connect with a 5. I go to the next one. Seats, there should be a 5 connected with it. Next one, tickets, there should be a 2 connected with it. Next one, seats, that's going to be a 5. And the last one, we have tickets, that's going to be a 2. So now what I'm going to do is I want to find the answer that matches mine of tickets sold 2 to seats available 5. How do I check what is the same? I'm going to be cross multiplying. So 350 times 2 is 700. 200 times 5 is 1,000. Those are not the same numbers. A is not my answer. The next one, 350 times 2, 700. 200 times 5, 1,000. Not the same numbers. Letter B is out. Next one, 450 times 2 is 900. 180 times 5 is also 900. So same number, this could be my answer. Let me check the last one. 180 times 5 is 900. 450 times 2 is 900. Same number. So letter D could also be my answer because both C and D give me equal amounts, 900 to 900. So what I'm going to go back now is I'm going to go look at what is the question asking me for. Which answer below shows a possible number of tickets sold to available seats? So let me look at what did they ask me for first. They first asked me for tickets, so let me give them tickets first. And letter C, I have tickets first, In letter D, they're giving me seats first. I do not want seats first, so that means letter D is out. And the only one that's left to be correct is letter C. So be very careful if you get two answers that are the same. Make sure that you guys answer what it's asking you for. And this question asked me for tickets sold to available seats. So they wanted the tickets first and the seats second.